In this video, we will explore the Accidentals tool, which becomes available in Level 3 of Song Builder. When selected, the Accidentals tool adds or removes accidentals from specific notes on the note grid. Accidentals include single and double sharps and flats, as well as naturals. To learn more about accidentals, check out our Keys to the Musical Kingdom and the Purpose of Accidentals lessons on MusiQuest. To use it, select the Accidentals tool in the right-hand toolbar. Click on a note to add an accidental. 1 click raises the note by a half step, 2 clicks lowers the note by a half step, and 3 clicks returns the note to its original pitch. When you are finished adding accidentals to your composition, remember to deselect the Accidentals tool. After all, you don't want any accidental accidentals. An important note: how accidentals are represented will differ from note view to note view. In block view, accidentals will appear as small arrow icons that will visually show if the note was raised or lowered. In the note names view, accidentals will be added after the note name. And in the note head view, accidentals will appear on the note grid as accidental symbols, just as they would be represented on sheet music.